What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you how to kickstart your customization journey with these adjustable hand control levers. They're available for touring bikes, single disc softail and dual disc softail models. These levers come in a bold black finish for the softail models and black or chrome for the touring models. They maintain the adjustability of the original equipment brake lever while giving you the ability to add some customization to your bike. New pivot bushings and a clutch anti-rattle clip are also included in this kit. Check the website to make sure these adjustable hand control levers are available for your model motorcycle. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.